Hey guys, Richard here. In this review I want to talk to you about PermaLink. Now PermaLink is a product by Branson Tay. It's been out for a few days and I wanted to talk to you through this product because there's a lot of issues with this product that I want you to be aware of if you follow my channel. So guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really looking to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Now basically this software is a way that you can manage your YouTube channel and, in short, spam other people's YouTube channels with affiliate links. So what it allows you to do is build comments, it allows you to build templates, it allows you to auto reply to certain keywords, to certain videos when people put comments on them. Basically, it is an automation that allows you to spam YouTube, which is against their terms of service, as you're not allowed to add any kind of automation like this and use it on YouTube. Basically all you need to do, guys, I'll leave this link below, is come over to this and it'll take you through all of the spam, the deceptive practices and scam policies that you need to adhere to if you're using these types of softwares. And the issue is with this one is in theory you need to connect it with your YouTube channel. So if I just come back to the actual software itself, one of the issues with this at the moment, which is the main issue really, is that basically you can't connect it. If I go to the import channel piece here, you'll see that it says Google App settings not found, and there's just no way of actually even connecting my channel to this to show you how it actually works. Now you can find out through the training how it works, but basically I just described it. You're building comments, you're building an automation that allows you to go onto YouTube and spam your affiliate links, which is a really bad business model, because at the end of the day YouTube itself has automation that removes spam comments from channels just like my one, and I can also set up certain keywords that won't be shown on my channel, or I can delete it manually myself. So there's a big barrier there to actually getting the comments on there in the first place. Where most of these guys actually show you how to do this, they use google.com as the actual comment they try and spam onto the channel, because they know there's less chance that that's going to be removed. But at the end of the day, they never show this working. It just does not work, guys, in the long term. Now there is a way on YouTube to actually increase your engagement by going to other people's channels and commenting and adding value and actually engaging with the people over on that channel, and they'll come over to you and they subscribe to you because they're a kind of person they want to subscribe to. It's the same kind of logic you would use on most kind of social media accounts, but doing it this way, just trying to get a random affiliate link and spam it out to people in the hope that one or two people would buy your product, is just not going to work, guys. Now the fact that it isn't working is obviously key to this, but overall what this is supposed to do, and again this has been in multiple billion-dollar products, is you have a channel manager here where you can go ahead and manage your own channel, just like I can on YouTube, so I don't need this. A template manager there here where you can actually build auto reply templates or auto comment templates, where you can just build up and say things like, hey, look at my great product and come and go ahead and buy it. That's the kind of plan here from these guys. You have a search engine here. You can search videos, you can search channels, you can search playlists to then try and spam. You have a keyword finder here. You have auto reply here, which is where you build in your auto replies. Rank tracking here, which is completely useless. And then you have a link wheel here, which is where you can put multiple spammy links in there and it'll just rotate the links. The other thing here is the training, and then you have the upgrades here. Now the upgrades are obviously something I'm not going to go through on this product. I will leave them in the description below, but as I'm not encouraging you to buy this, I'm not going to start going through upgrades on this particular review. Now one thing I did notice on here is when you want support on this, because you will, because it doesn't work, if you come over to the support desk and try and sign up for the support desk, I'm actually going to put my full name and my email in here, and I'm going to show you what happens. So I put my full name and my email in here, then hit this captcha, and it keeps coming up with captcha verification failed, try again. So this piece of software is not even letting you sign up for support. So you're going to have to go straight to PayPal, because there's no other way you're going to get your money back here. Now, if I go to the guarantee on the sales page, there's also a big issue with the guarantee. They're all over the place in how they actually describe the guarantee on the sales page. So if I come back to the sales page, you'll notice I haven't spent any time on these particular headlines because they're complete nonsense. None of this is true. If I just go down to the guarantee, it clearly says there 365-day money back guarantee. And then again, I got it here, 365-day money-back guarantee. And then in the list of frequently asked questions, it specifies this is yes, you are covered by a 365-day unconditional money-back guarantee. But when I go down to the bottom here, this says the conditional guarantee is not a promise of payout whatsoever. It's merely there to show you that we're confident that we're offering. To qualify for the conditional guarantee, you must follow clear evidence. So guys, I would keep well away from these guys. They don't even know what their guarantee is. This says unconditional, that says conditional. They're just going to argue with you when you try and get your money back. So I wouldn't even bother trying to pay for this. Now I did, so that I can be of service to you guys and actually give you the review. But I would tell you to avoid this absolutely, because it just simply does not work and gives you no value. So guys, that was my PermaLink review. Short and sweet. Guys, these reviews are based on my own opinions, but they're very much evidence-based, as you can see. The idea of the reviews, you just get a bit more information before you go ahead and decide to purchase any type of software like this online. So guys, I hope you find that valuable. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I do new reviews. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.